Hi everyone, I'm Celeste and welcome to this video of me unboxing Lovevery products for my son. My son is 10 weeks old and my husband found Lovevery and we did a little bit of research and now it's time for us to unbox our own Lovevery products. We got the 0 to 12 weeks box and we got the Play Gym. So let's go ahead and get into it. Lovevery package came in. We also got the 0 to 12 weeks bundle, the looker, and I already started setting up some of it. So this is the mobile. The mobile has two sides. So one side's colored and then the other side is just black spiral. We have the book here and there's Peachy. We have the book cards here so we can set it up so he can look at those. I already set up his links here and it's like really cute. Oh, I think I woke him up. You awake now? Whoopsies! I'm going to go try to hang up his mobile in the bathroom. Ta-da! The mobile is hanging above his changing table. Now he has something to look at. Sorry, the Sonos is playing. I'm going to spend some time reading this, so when he does wake up, I'm going to try playing with some of the toys. When he's going to be doing tummy time, I'm definitely going to be using these high contrast cards. Peachy contrast. It's kind of funny. You are. So I'm also going to use this little holding plate here. This looks great for car rides too. So I'm going to put his cards in there and I'm going to cycle them out as well. He's going to have to use the simple side first before we get to the complex shapes. And then when he really wants to play, I think I'm going to try giving him the teether and the ball and see if he'll get to that part. But remember, my baby's only 10 weeks right now. Gosh, so I didn't know that this box came with a little mug, and it's kind of cute. The days are long, but the years are short, is what it says. This will be great for drinking coffee or tea or milk or water. I mainly just drink water, but this is cute. Nice little surprise. There's the book. Oh, there's the book. So when he's awake, I'm gonna tap this and play with him and show him the different designs. Look at my terribly done nails. They're chipping. Yes, I know. And then here are the mittens. The mittens are cute, but I'm gonna keep him in here until he's ready to play with them and see that his hands are there. He's mainly right-handed. Do you mind? That is so rude. So my son is still kind of asleep, so I'm going to go up his playpen. It's not really a playpen, but it's like on the ground. I think we're going to put it over there or like over here. One of the two, I'm not sure. This is actually super cute. You can see what's included and they tell you, and that way you can look for everything. So I'm going to be setting up as a play gym, and this is super soft. It feels water resistant. And then there's all this other stuff here. But yeah. Oh, look, you can see this is one of the toys already. That is the batting ring. How cute. So I have set up his play gym. It's actually pretty small from what I was thinking it was gonna be. I don't know what I was thinking, but I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger than this. And of course, these do fold in, so you can hide how they look, and it's not just going to be like this flower power of kid colors. And I don't think it's a bad thing anyway, so yeah, you can fold it in this way, and then you can bring it with you on a trip and then just have him lay down. Now currently I do have the kick paddle up. I have some high contrast cards out, and then the play ring is over there. Little Mario has been kicking a lot and looking at everything, so it's pretty awesome. I have to say that I'm impressed with the quality of everything. I know that these are they're very smooth. I don't think anyone would get a splinter on them. These cards are very easy to handle. Everything is just great quality, and I highly recommend it. So yeah, all those advertisements were worth it. Now, continuing onward, I think I do want to go ahead and get more products for my son. In the future, I do want to go ahead and keep these in their separate boxes. That way, if I do end up getting pregnant again, we're ready from start to finish, just like baby Mario. So when he outgrows his toys, the next baby is ready. And if we aren't going to have another baby. We'll figure that out. We can pass this box on to someone else that is a newborn parent. Thank you so much for watching this video. It looks like showing all of his Playvery items. If you guys have a newborn or any toddler kind of child, like really high quality items and an affordable price. If you think about it, this is 3 months worth of toys for their ages as they grow up and great for child development. What is with the sun right now? Jesus. But anyways, yeah, I highly recommend it. Bless you. If you're new to being a parent like me, they have like this wonderful book. I've read it, and it comes with your kits, so it grows with your toys. Oh, and he seems to like it a lot too. So thank you so much for watching this vlog and opening my Lovevery toy kits for my son. If you guys have any questions about the items or the quality, let me know in a comment down below. Yeah, feel free to check out some of my other vlogs, and remember to stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!